Hey my lovelies, how are you all? I hope you are all really well. I'm back again with another video and I really cannot think of a more suitable video to do than the one I'm going to be doing today, with it kind of being all autumnal and Octobery and that transitional weather. So what have I got? The lovely Rita has sent me a gift. I have opened it, but I haven't tried it or anything like that. I'm going to do that with you guys. So it came in a box which was really well packaged. It did have like plastic covering over the top to protect it. What is in the box, I hear you asking? So do you know what type of box this is? If I turn it around, I know, you probably know already. Look. Oh, my heart, my beating heart beats still. I do love a Chanel box. So something a little bit different though today. Rita has very kindly sent me some shoes. They are a lovely loafer, and you can see them here. Obviously I'm going to show them to you and we're going to try them on, but these are in a UK size 4 and an EU size 37. Let's do some unboxing, shall we? You've got your beautiful box. I mean, these boxes are so sturdy, so well made. Whoops, that flew out of the box, didn't it? This is a card of authenticity, and you have your dust bag in which to keep your shoes in when you're not wearing them, of course. So they will go in there and be stored in there. You've got your lovely tissue paper, of course, with the branding on. I feel sure you are all going to really love these. Something a little bit different. I mean, Rita did say to me I could have chosen a bag. I've had a fair few bags from this particular company for a long time now, and I never ever say no to a bag. I absolutely love a handbag, but I very much love a shoe as well. Everything I'm going to I'm holding on, I'm not showing you, I'm not doing the reveal yet, but everything I'm going to be talking about, I will comment either down below and put some of the details that you need to know will definitely be in the description box. I will link everything you need to know, the website, all their social media platforms, and I really do urge you to go and have a look, go over to their website and see the stunning stuff that they have on there. Anyway, without further ado, I mustn't keep you waiting any longer. Look at these. Look at these loafers. They're gorgeous. They've got that lovely block heel, nice wide heel, the width of the sole. So in like this autumn weather, you're going to feel really nice and secure in these. On the sole, you can see it has a gorgeous symbol here. The sole feels sort of secure, if you know what I mean. Like, you know this is going to grip the pavement or the roads. It smells divine. So you've got in here, just to keep the shape, you've got one of these like little toe thingies. Oh my goodness, the inside, so you can see if I press in here, hold on, if I press there, you can see just how padded that insole is and how comfortable that's going to be. So you've got the loafer design. Obviously the leather then goes over the top to give it that really lovely loafer look and design to it. You've got the gold hardware, and then of course you've got as you would be familiar with this particular brand, the lovely quilting on the top. There's the absolutely gorgeous pair of shoes. Now this is just a little look of some of the shoes that are on offer that you can purchase. There are so many. These are the ones that I've got. Are retailing in US dollars for 210 US dollars. If I switch the currency to our money in the UK, it's £165.06. The sizes for this particular pair of shoes start at an EU 34 and it goes to a EU 42. And of course, it's not just, as I said, not just shoes that you can actually have a look at if you go over and have a look at the website. They're absolutely stunning. As I say, I have had other shoes from them as well before, and they're just as beautiful. Handbags are gorgeous. There's jewellery that you can choose from, like the different watches. They do scarves, they do handbags, they do so many different things. And I think at this time of year, when we've got Christmas just literally looming around the corner, haven't we? It's a great time to just maybe, you know, make yourself a nice glass of something, cup of something, sit down, chill, go over to the website and have a good old look. Now, what can I say about these that I haven't already said? They are just stunningly beautiful. They're timeless. They would suit absolutely everyone. Everyone. They're just going to be so comfortable. I know I haven't put them on my feet yet, but I will in a minute. You've got this beautiful, soft, really soft leather. You can see how buttery soft this leather is. You've got a little squeak of leather there as well. I just think they're stunning. So I'm going to pop them onto my feet now. I feel like Cinderella. They fit like a glove. They really do fit like a glove. You just know, don't you, if from the first time you put something on your feet, if they're going to hurt, if they're going to rub. Obviously, I haven't worn these for any length of time. However, they do feel so comfortable. They do feel as though I've got literally like slippers on my feet. They are that soft and absolutely gorgeous. And of course I'm wearing them without anything on my feet. So my feet are bare, don't have any socks or tights. Or if you want to wear socks or you want to wear like tights if you're wearing a dress or skirt, they're still going to look elegant whatever you wear them with. As I say, today I've just got on a t-shirt and a pair of leopard print trousers. And they still make my outfit look quite chic, I think. So yeah, I'm just so grateful. Rita, thank you so much for thinking of me again and for sending me the shoes. I adore them. I apologise for the lateness in doing this video. Doing very well lately, and so therefore it's taken me a little while to film this video, but I did keep in touch with Rita, and yeah, we just communicated and I explained that I wasn't very well, and she was lovely. She was so absolutely supportive and understanding. From the point of actually ordering, the process is so simple. You will be kept up to date every step of the way. You will be told when your parcel has been packed, when your parcel has been shipped, when it is likely to be received, when it's been received in customs, all the rest of it. It's just like a whole, you know, it's a whole communication keeping you updated as to where your parcel is. Now I have to take them off to show them to you one more time. I really don't want to take them off my feet. They are gorgeous. These are not the type of shoes that you want to just like sling in a cupboard, or you know, in your shoe cupboard or under your bed or anywhere like that. These babies need to be seen. and appreciated and loved and worn. They're gorgeous. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, wherever you are in the world. Of course, as I always say, take good care of yourselves. I will talk to you in my next video.